giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of a trip in Dubai. So today's trip is basically a short city ride. So they pick us up at about, it's scheduled about 9 o'clock, but then they pick us up at about 9:30 or close to about 9:45. So a car will pick you up, and then plan for today is they just drive around the city and they stop you on the main tourist spots that are available. So we came down the Jumeirah beach road and now we are at the Kite beach. So we get about 15 to 20 minutes to go check out the Kite beach and take a few pictures and stuff like that. Alright, so the Kite beach is just next to the Burj Al Arab and the Jumeirah beach hotel, guys. So you can get into the Kite beach. It's an happening place, like, you know, there's shacks, there's places where you can sit down, there are places where you can eat, and if you want to play, you can play as well. There's a little bit of water sports as well for you to do. So we're walking towards the beach now, so let me go there and then I'll show you what the beach looks like. And about the weather, guys, it's not actually that hot, as in there's a little bit of heat, but it's not humid and stuff like that, so it's pretty pleasant. So if you're coming to Dubai, October, November, December, January is the best time to visit. Okay, and the cost for the city tour is about 1,200 to 1,500 Indian rupees. So there are many applications, as I said, guys, Makemytrip, Thrillophilia, but if you want to use the one that I'm using, they're actually pretty good. I'll leave a link in the description and you can book with them. You pay in India itself, and then you just give them a number that they can call you on, or the hotel's number, and they will come and pick you up at your doorstep at the time that they've asked you to come, at the time that they've scheduled.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh.
Okay guys, so after the kite beach, we continued on the Jumeirah beach road itself, and then we've come towards the Atlantis, that's the palm. So we drove past Atlantis and all of the new 5-star hotels that have come up, the new residences. And now we've reached a place called Ain. So this is basically where, the skydiving and all of the happening things that happen in Dubai. So majority of those things happen over here. So there's, skydiving, there is parasailing, and they've got the London Eye as well. It's behind me, let me show it to you. Alright guys, so we have the car for day 2. So this is the car that they've sent for us. We are about 8 people today, so they've sent us a slightly bigger car so everyone can fit in one. Yesterday we had 2 cars, but today they've decided to just send us 1 car. So this is the car that we will be traveling in today. Usually day tours operate with such big cars, so if you're just 2 or 3 of you guys, right, then most probably you will be traveling with other people or other families as well. So let's go. Alright guys, the next stop for the day is the beautiful Atlantis. Let me show you around. Okay, the next stop for the day is the Burj Al Arab. So they'll give you a quick stop. They'll park the car on the side of the road, and you got a couple of minutes to click a few pictures. So if you want to go, you can go all the way up to there, but that's the end of the road for general public.